My name is Andre Liccardi, and my pain mostly originated in I don't want to say my back, but my hamstring, like around my hip, just below my buttocks, down, going completely down to my ankle. Probably for a couple of months, and partially I waited because once it started, I knew something wasn't right. So I'm a firm believer, I go right to the doctor. So I did that whole routine, the doctor, and then x-rays and an MRI, and then I got a diagnosis. Well, the pain at its worst was really hard to walk and get up from sitting or sitting down. And the pain was off the charts. So it was, at least in my mind, was limiting what I could do and what I felt I'd be able to do in the not too distant future. I want to travel and do things and play with my grandchildren and what have you. So I found myself already starting to hold back. Well, probably wasn't making much of a sacrifice strictly because of the pandemic. We were restricting ourselves from going out and about and travel and all the things that we like to do. So it probably happened at a good time, if there is such a good time when it comes to pandemics and pain, but that probably was a big factor. I pretty much already knew that I was either headed towards physical therapy, and I was trying to do some stretches and exercises to begin with a little bit, but I knew unless I had the right direction, I wasn't really going to get anywhere. I actually have been to a physical therapist, some different ones over the years, and in all cases it always helped the problem. So I figured for sure the same thing would happen here. Absolutely, I wouldn't hesitate for a minute. I would say, by comparison of the ones that I had been to in the past versus the recommendation I had from my daughter-in-law who'd come here, that I would easily come back and I would easily recommend it to someone else. There's nothing to be nervous about. You got to just go for it, because at the end, even when there is pain involved or whatever, if you hope to get better, you got to do something about it. So you have to plow through. And sure enough, I'm in better shape now than I was when I came in. The personalities of the people that work here, everybody's super friendly and, very outgoing, and just, you feel like very comfortable. Well, my hope was my goal was to have less pain in the inflamed areas, and that is definitely the case. Has it gone completely away? No, but that's not due to the therapy. The therapy's made it easier. It's more just the spinal stenosis and my age that, I can't overcome that.